picture? Or,
Yes, and mom is taking video.
Yes, okay.
Can I speak English with you?
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Elsa.
Nice to meet you. My name
Nice
is
to meet
Lawrence.
you.
My
What's
hands are
your
cold.
name?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. And where are you from?
I'm from America.
Where you are from America.
Yeah.
Where are
Okay.
you from?
I'm from Zhangjiajie.
Okay. We love it here.
And what's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberry.
What's your favorite fruit?
Grapes.
My favorite fruit is blueberries.
Okay.
And what's your favorite food?
Spaghetti.
What's your favorite food?
Chicken parmesan.
Ooh.
My favorite food is tomatoes and egg.
Okay, tomatoes and egg. I
Yes.
had that today on the train. Right? Tomatoes? Yes. Okay, yeah.
Okay. And what's your favorite subject?
Math. I like math. What's yours?
My favorite subject is math, music, Chinese, and English.
What kind of music? What do you do? Do you sing? Do you play an instrument?
Pardon?
What do you music? What do you do in music?
I can't understand.
Do you play an instrument?
What is instrument?
It's like a or a.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yes,
What do you play?
I play 葫芦丝
What do you play?
葫芦丝
Rusa. What does it look like?
It looks like it look like the number 8.
Number 8. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's so cool. I play the violin.
Violin.
Huh?
My sister can play violin too.
Oh, that's so cool.
And what's your favorite subject?
I like music and math.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what color do you like?
I like yellow.
What color do you like?
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue too.
There we go.
And do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have a lot. I have like I don't even know how many.
What's your do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 younger sisters.
Okay.
Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yes.
Yeah.
My uncle home I have one brothers and one sisters.
Okay. Are you the youngest?
Big.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
In the China, the New Year will come. I will give you a gift.
Oh,
It's the Chinese nut.
shit.
不用写。
This is so cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay, what grade are you in?
Pardon?
What grade are you in?
I'm in grade 3.
Oh, that's so cool.
The Chinese nut means a good luck.
This means good luck?
Yes, this is Chinese nut, and this is 5 emperor coin. The 5 emperor coin is a symbol of wealth.
Oh, I'm going to keep this forever. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Can put on your bag, put on the door.
Yes.
Can put in your pocket.
Perfect. Thank you.
Can I take photo with you?
Yes.
新年快
We can do
乐
that.
Read that, read that.